So I would say like a really great example of something that is concrete that people can go and kind of look at and see the possible future repercussions of that is happening like almost as we speak is this game called Axie Infinity. This is kind of like a game that put into practice a lot of the Web3 ideas. And Axie Infinity is kind of a game that is revolutionary in a few different ways. And before I talk about Axie, let me talk about Fortnite. I have a couple of kids, and one of their favorite games is Fortnite. Fortnite was really also kind of revolutionary. They gave the game away for free, and it was kind of like the first, I would say, big hit video game like on Nintendo or one of those platforms that people were able to get for free that blew up like and made a lot of money. So how did they make the money? Well, they enabled digital currency. They enabled also skins, which were clothing and stuff like that. So those two things were huge. And I spend now a couple of $100 a year on Fortnite for my kids, where in the past we would have paid like $80 for a game and you never would have paid again, right? That was like the old way. The new way is like, oh, you're paying like every month or every year money for your kids to play these games because
I like the old way better.
They've now enabled like payments within the game. But what is the problem with that? Well, I wouldn't say that this is a problem. It's more of like a limitation. The limitation there is like when the kid outgrows the game, then you've now dumped $1,000 into this thing and nothing has come of it. Maybe they've had a great time. Maybe that's enough. That is a good thing, right? Maybe having fun is good enough. But what if instead people can actually take the value that they've put into the platform and maybe get some of their return of their investment back? Or maybe they can give it away to someone else and have them use it and have a really, really easy way to do that. So Axie Infinity kind of took those ideas of what Fortnite has along with some of the Web3 ideas, and they've built this game that allows players to earn in-game currency, and they can also buy it, but they can also resell that on a liquid market. So like as you play the game, you're getting paid essentially to play, and it's not a ton of money for maybe someone like a software engineer, but for people in other parts of the world, they're actually able to quit their jobs and they're making more money, like sometimes orders of magnitude more money, just playing this game than they would be able to working in like a local area using their skill set.